वेलकम टू ओपीएससी ओएस ए टू जेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 जाए आम ऑलरेडी लास्ट वीडियोज कवर कर सारी यूपीएससी 2023 प्रिलिम्स क्वेश्चन पेपर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 61। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज बुल्गारिया, चेक रिपब्लिक, हंगेरी, लाटविया, लिथुआनिया एंड रोमानिया। हाउ मेनी ऑफ द एबव मेंशन कंट्रीज शेयर द लैंड बॉर्डर विथ यूक्रेन। यूक्रेन रशिया वार जेहेतु हाइलाइटेड अच्छी तो ये क्वेश्चन पचार तो यूक्रेन देखले एटा जब यूक्रेन है यूक्रेन नॉर्थ अच्छी बेलारूस, देन ईस्ट रे रशिया, देन साउथ रे सी ऑफ अजोव एंड योर ब्लैक सी, देन साउथ वेस्ट रे कौन रहा साउथ वेस्ट रे मालदोवा, रोमानिया एंड ईस्टर्न साइड रहा हंगेरी, पोलैंड एंड योर स्लोवाकिया। तो यूक्रेन रो नेबरिंग कंट्री कथा पचार बॉर्डर शेयर को मैंने कर यूक्रेन सहित। तो देखु ये हंगेरी जेहेतु अच्छी आपणकर ईस्ट साइड रे हंगेरी इज द राइट आंसर हियर एंड also Romania which is in southwest direction of Ukraine, Romania। तो दीटा ऑप्शन ये ठीक अच्छी यूक्रेन बॉर्डर कंट्री हिसाब रे। सो ओनली 2 इज द राइट आंसर हियर ऑप्शन ए। Coming to question number 62 with reference to Earth atmosphere, which one of the following statements is correct? The total amount of insolation received at the equator is roughly about 10 times that received at the poles. Infrared rays constitute roughly 2/3 of the insolation. Infrared waves are largely absorbed by the water vapor that is concentrated in the lower atmosphere, and infrared waves are the part of the visible spectrum of electromagnetic waves of solar radiation। तो यहाँ जो स्टार्टिंग रही तो टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ इंसोलेशन रिसीव्ड एट द इक्वेटर is roughly about 10 times that of received at the pole. No, it's around 5 times insolation. So ये ऑप्शन ए इनकरेक्ट है। इंफ्रारेड rays constitute roughly 2/3 of the insolation. This is also incorrect because infrared is itself a long wave. Then infrared waves are largely absorbed by the water vapor that is concentrated in the lower atmosphere. Water vapor हमें जानी कि it is a kind of greenhouse gases, and infrared waves are largely absorbed by the water vapor that is concentrated in the lower atmosphere. Yes, this is correct. So option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 63, consider the following statement. The soil, statement 1, this is the soil in tropical rainforest is rich in nutrients, and statement 2, the high temperature and moisture of tropical rainforest cause dead organic matter in the soil to decompose quickly. Option statement 2 the correct achi। coming to statement 1, tropical rainforest is rich in nutrients. No, because leaching wet topsoil है, so nutrients rich है परिवनी tropical rainforest. So option D is the correct answer here. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Coming to question number 64, consider the following statements. Statement 1 रे दीजिए the temperature contrast between continents and the oceans is greater during the summer than in winter. Statement 2, the specific heat of the water is more than that of the land surface. तो स्टेटमेंट 1 परफेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन होची स्टेटमेंट 2 बिकॉज स्पेसिफिक हीट क्या कहुए द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिक्वायर्ड टू रेज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ वाटर टू 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो ये स्टेटमेंट 1 भी करेक्ट, 2 भी करेक्ट, एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 इज अ correct explanation of statement 1. So option A is the right answer here. Coming to question number 65, consider the following statement. In a seismograph, P waves are recorded earlier than the S wave. In P waves, the individual particles vibrate to and fro in the direction of wave propagation, whereas the S wave, the particles vibrate up and down at right angles to the direction of the wave propagation. तो पी आउ एस वेव आम क्या कहे जोटा प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी वेव जोटा कि अर्थक्वेक टाइम रे देखा जाए बेसिकली अर्थक्वेक कथा कहले अर्थ वेव दीटा टाइप देखा जाए अर्थक्वेक रे गोटे है बॉडी वेव एंड सरफेस वेव तो जोटा आमर रहा फोकस एंड एपिसेंटर जोटा सरफेस ऊपर थाए एपिसेंटर फोकस रो जो वेवटा जेनरेट हुए ताको आमे कहबा बॉडी वेव एंड एपिसेंटर रो जो वेव जेनरेट हुए एंड ताको आमे सरफेस वेव कहबा एंड अगेन सरफेस wave is of two type, that is your P wave, that is primary wave, and secondary wave. And it is quite obvious that P waves is travel faster than S wave, so P waves are recorded earlier than S waves. So statement 1 टा ठीक अच्छी एटी and P wave travel करे in this direction and S wave in perpendicular direction. So it is the P waves, the individual particle vibrate to and fro in direction. So it is direction and the wave propagation, whereas in S wave the particle vibrates up and down. So statement 1 be correct, statement 2 be correct. The right answer is option C, the right answer. Both 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Coming to question number 66. With reference to coal-based thermal power plants in India, consider the following statement. None of them uses sea water. देखो यहाँ गोटे एक्सट्रीम केस सी वाटर यूज हुए एटा भूल कथा बिकज सी वाटर यूज होली एत सारा कंट्रोवर्सीज अच्छी. देन नॉन ऑफ देम इज सेट अप इन वाटर स्ट्रेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट. दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. None of them is privately owned. This is also incorrect. None. The right answer is none. None of the above are correct. Coming to question number 67. Welbachia method is sometimes talked about with reference to which one of the following? Option A, controlling the viral diseases spread by the mosquitoes, converting crop residues into packing material, producing biodegradable plastics. No. Producing biochar from thermochemical conversion of biomass. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर हो ऑप्शन ए, कंट्रोलिंग द वायरल डिजीज स्प्रेड बाय द मस्क्यूटोज. तो देखो एडिस मस्क्यूटो जोटा सेटा चारि प्रकार डिजीज कज करे. गोटे है चिकेनगुनिया एंड अगेन योर डेंगू रिसेंटली थिला न्यूज रे एंड योर येलो फीवर and another one is I think dengue, yellow fever, chikungunya. Another one I have forgotten. Let's don't talk about this. But they controlling the viral disease by the spread. जोटा एडिस मस्क्यूटो थाए तार मेल मस्क्यूटो जोटा ताकू आम वेलवेचिया गोटे से काइंड ऑफ बैक्टेरिया गोटे नेचुरल बैक्टेरिया ता थ्रू जदि आम ट्रीट करुचे ताले से आउ फर्दर तार जेनरेशन या तो फर्दर तार जदि फीमेल एडिस मस्क्यूटो सहित मीटिंग होची देन तार जेनरेशन बढ़ी पारिबनी एंड फर्दर से वंश बढ़ी पारिबनी. सो इटा यूज करा जाए कंट्रोलिंग द वायरल डिजीज स्प्रेड बाय द मस्क्यूटोज स्पेशली Aedes mosquitoes. So option A is the right answer. Coming to question number 68. Consider the following activities. Spreading finely ground basalt rock on farmlands extensively, increasing the alkalinity of the oceans by adding lime, capturing carbon dioxide released by the various industries and pumping it into the abandoned subterranean mines in the form of carbonated waters. How many of the above activities are often considered and discussed for carbon capture and carbon sequestration? Carbon capture by carbon sequestration, all of the three method are used for carbon capture and carbon sequestration. So it correct answer is all three. Coming to 69, aerial metagenomics best refer to which of the following situation: collecting DNA samples from air in the habitat at one go, yes. Then B, understanding the genetic makeup of avian species in the habitat, using airborne device to collect blood sample from the moving animals, no. Sending drones to the inaccessible, this is also not right. Metagenomics ଯେହେତୁ ଦେଇଛି collecting DNA, ଏଠି ଯେହେତୁ genomics ଦେଇଛି it's common sense ବି ଲଗେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା କାଢ଼ିପାରିବେ। and aerial ଅଛି so collecting DNA sample from the air in a habitat at one go. Coming to 670, microsatellite DNA is used in the case of which of the following: studying the evolutionary relationship among the various species of fauna. This is the correct answer. No need to read for the options. Coming to question number 71, consider the following statement with reference to India according to Micro Small Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. The medium enterprises are those with investment in plant and machinery between 15 crore and 25 crores. And statement 2 is all bank loans to the micro, small and medium enterprises qualify under the priority sector. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन B2 ओनली। केतेटा दीटा जाक स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट अछि। Coming to question number 72, with reference to central bank digital currencies, consider the following statement: it is possible to make payments in a digital currency without using the US dollar or SWIFT system. This is correct, and the digital currency can be distributed with a condition programmed into it, such as time frame for spending it. This is also correct. So both 1 and 2 option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 73, in the context of the finance, the term beta refers to. So beta is a term basically used in the stock market, and it's denote to the volatility of the stock market. And alpha is another term which is used to denote the extra return generated in the stock market. So excuse me. So option D is the correct answer here. A numeric value that measures the fluctuations of a stock to changes in the overall stock market. So option D is the correct answer here. Coming to question number 74, consider the following statement: the self-help group program was originally initiated by the State Bank of India by providing microcredit to the financially deprived. The first kata hala SHG is not the part of SBI, it comes under NABARD. So option 1 is incorrect. In an SHG, all members of the group take responsibility for a loan that is individual member takes. Yes, this is right. The regional rural banks and the scheduled commercial banks support SHGs. Yes, this is also correct. So option B is the right answer here, only 2. Coming to question number 75, consider the following statement. Statement 1, India's public sector healthcare system largely focuses on curative care with limited preventive, promotive and rehabilitation care. Then, under India's decentralized approach to healthcare delivery, the states are primarily responsible for organizing health services. Both statements are correct, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation for statement 1. So option B is the correct answer here. Coming to question number 76, statement 1 deji, 2 deji. Let's read. According to the United Nations World Water Development Report 2022, India extract more than a quarter of the world's groundwater withdrawal each year. Yes, this is correct. India needs to extract more than a quarter of the world's groundwater each year to satisfy the drinking water and sanitation needs of the almost 18% of the world's population living in territory. 18% is incorrect. So option 1 is correct and option 2 is incorrect. So option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 77, consider the following statement. According to the Constitution of India, the central government has a duty to protect states from the internal disturbances. Yes, this is correct. The Constitution of India exempts the state from providing legal counsel to a person being held for a preventive detention. Exempt the providing legal counsel to the person being held for the prevention detention. This is incorrect. It comes under Article 22. According to the Prevention of Terrorism Act 2002, confession of a accused before the police cannot be used as evidence. This is also incorrect. So, what statement you have to take a statement 1 ta option A, only 1 is the correct answer here. Coming to question number 78. Which one of the following countries has been suffering from decades of civil strife and food shortage and was in news in the recent past for its very severe famine? So this is very factual. Somalia, it was in news, no need to discuss. So 79, consider the following statements. In India, the Biodiversity Management Committee are key to the realization of the objectives of Nagoya Protocol. Then the Biodiversity Management Committee have important function in determining access and benefit sharing, including the power to levy collection fees for the access of biological resources within its jurisdiction. This is correct. And Biodiversity Management Committee are the key to the realization of the objective of Nagoya Protocol. This is also correct. So option C, both 1 and 2 is correct. Coming to question number 80, consider the following statements in respect of the election of the President of India. The members nominated to either house of the parliament or the legislative assemblies of the state are also eligible for included in the electoral college. First, जेहेतु एटा प्रेसिडेंट को इलेक्शन कथा कहूँ, nominated members are not participant here. So option 1 टा incorrect है जाऊँगी. Higher the number of elective assembly seats, higher is the value of the each MLA of that state. This is also incorrect. The value, because तार calculation किसी अलग है. The value of vote of each MLA and of Madhya Pradesh is greater than that of the Kerala. This is quite confusing. देखिले तो निहाती लगे कि हाँ दिस इज करेक्ट बिकज मध्य प्रदेश एरिया वाइज एमपी अधिक अच्छी मध्य प्रदेश बट इन रियल रिवर्स हैपेंस. सो ऑप्शन 3 is incorrect here. Value of vote of Kerala is more than the value of vote of each MLA in Madhya Pradesh. So option 3 ta incorrect it. The value of vote of each MLA in Puducherry is higher than that of the Arunachal Pradesh because the ratio of total population to the number of elective seats in the Puducherry is greater as compared to the Arunachal Pradesh. So option 4 is the correct answer here. So only 1. So thank you.